it's Bonnie from Everything Country CA, and today I want to do an unboxing of some china and porcelain, a dinner set that I bought actually over a year and a half ago almost now. I had bought it at a thrift store out of town and I brought it into town and I just kind of put it away. We were busy doing some other things. And I had looked it up briefly, but I wasn't sure exactly. I couldn't find the pattern at that time. And so I did take a look recently and was able to find a comparable online. But anyway, I wanted to show you the pattern, and I'm probably going to try to sell it soon on the marketplace and see if I can make a little bit of profit on it. But anyway, here it is, and I paid $49.50 for the set. So inside the bin, how it all came together like this. Let's just open it up. It has these individual little containers to protect all the pieces. So there's a list. Now she had on there that it says France, Vigno, Limoges, 9 bread butter plates, 11 lunch plates, 11 dinner plates, 10 soup bowls, 10 saucers, and 5 cups, and small bowls and the cream and sugar. There was no teapot with that, but for that price, I thought, well, if I could maybe sell each piece for a few dollars or sell the whole set for more, what the heck. So I had looked at it quickly while I was at the thrift store. It's been a while since I have opened it up, but I did look at it yesterday just to try to get the comparable. So that's the lid for the sugar bowl, and there we go. It's quite nice. Quite nice. I like the blue band. It is definitely vintage looking, and I believe it's antique because it's probably over 100 years. And let's see. So we've got the, each of these. Now when I had it in storage, unfortunately one of the small plates got broken. So there's one less side plate. But each one looks pretty good condition, and the back has the Limoges stamp. Now the pattern, what I found, it took me a while to try to find the comparable pattern or the exact pattern. It's called LIM416, Limoges 416, and it has that lovely blue band around, as well as a lot of the garland, some little flowers on the edge with yellow and red, and it's really cute. So, and it's all in very good shape. So there's probably, can't remember what it said on the list, but there's quite a few of those plates. Not sure why there's only 5 cups, but the teacups are quite cute in that Limoges shape, which some people might be familiar with. There's the bowls. That's what that looks like, the bowls. Very nice. They're all got the label on the back. And these are probably the saucers. Sorry, my finger's in the way. Yeah, these are the saucers. So those are nice. Those look good. And the side plates, they're all in great shape. There's a little bit of edge or marking there, But generally I think they all look pretty good. And then the big dinner plate set, my goodness, I'm just going to lift it out, hang on. So that's got the dinner plates, and I did look this up on Replacements Inc. They had the pattern, but they did not have any in stock. They said it's discontinued, none available, and no pricing on it. But it does look like it's in really good shape. Everything, can't complain. So there's probably, what did it say? 11 dinner plates, which is amazing. 10 soup bowls, 11 lunch plates, 9 bread plates. It's quite a large set. So all these soup bowls are there. And then those were the side plates. So for $49.50 for the whole set, and with the cream and sugar, I noticed the cream had a bit of a crack on the side, but still it's quite lovely looking. I did find on Etsy one comparable that was just the teacup and saucer, which is amazing. One pair, the teacup and saucer, and that was listed for $50. So, but that included the delivery, and it was Canadian dollars. But still, I thought that was seems a bit high. I can't imagine trying to sell them each for $50 each. So I think what I'll probably do is list the set on the marketplace for maybe $175 and see if I get any bites. And then I can lower it a little bit and let you know how it goes. So that's kind of what the plan is. And I just, at this point, like it would be a nice place setting to use, but I don't really need another set of china. So here's kind of what it would look like if it was a table setting set up. So I'm just trying to give you a quick idea. It's got the soup bowl and the luncheon plate underneath, and then the dinner plate. So there, looks pretty good. It's a nice set. But anyway, so there you go. That's the unboxing of this Limoges antique dinnerware set, and I got it thrifted for $49.95, and I will try to flip it and see what I will be able to get for it. So I hope you enjoy the video, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so, and I really would appreciate your support. And we'll see you again soon. Thank you.